Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking.
Okay, now please try to introduce yourself.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My full name is Cynthia Selaras, but you can call me Cynthia. I study at SNM Park Karawang. Currently, I'm in grade 11 3. My school address is at Jenderal Ahmad Yani Street, number 10, East Karawang, West Java.
Okay, now what is your father?
My father's name is Hasan Nur.
And then who is your mother?
My mother's name is Supini.
And then how many people in your family?
I have one sibling.
Okay, now where is your address?
My address is at Buana Taman Sari Raya, Blok E1, number 2, Kondang Jaya, Karawang, West Java.
Now, how do you go to school?
I go to school accompanied by my sister on a motorbike.
Okay, next, how you feeling when you study in school?
My feelings when I study at school sometimes fine and run smoothly, but sometimes I feel I have difficulty in some subjects.
Okay, good job. And then, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite is Bahasa and English
Bahasa and English. And then, what's the reason you like that subject?
because I like to learn my language,
Okay.
especially the two language.
Okay, challenging language. And then, what is extracurricular do you follow?
I follow two
And
extracurricular.
then, what is?
There is Scout
Then?
and Pick Up.
Okay. What is your purpose to follow this code?
The purpose is so that I can continue my scouting, which I start when I was in elementary school.
Okay, good job. And then, what is the language of the scout?
Praja Muda Karang.
Okay, good job. And then, what is the scout?
Scouting is non-formal educational organization that aims to shape the character, personality, and skills of Indonesia's young generation through activities carried out in the open air.
Okay. Do you memorize Dasa Dharma?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell about Dasa Dharma for?
Okay. Dasa dan pramuka itu takwa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, cinta Allah dan kasih sayang sesama manusia, patriot dan sopan dan kesatria, patuh dan suka bermusyawarah, rela menolong dan tabah, rajin, terampil dan gembira, hemat, cermat dan bersahaja, disiplin, berani dan setia, bertanggung jawab dan dapat dipercaya, suci dalam pikiran, perkataan dan perbuatan.
Okay, good job. And then, do you ever follow the camp?
Yes, I do.
Which camp do you follow?
Camp Bantara,
Bantara.
Camp Laksana,
Okay.
Camp PMT, lalu
Any others?
dan lintas medan competition.
Okay, good job. So, what is the most feeling in the camp do you ever follow?
The most memorable camp was camp in the lintas medan competition
What is the reason?
because when I was there, I was feeling very exciting and busy. Even though we were tired,
Okay, yes.
we really enjoyed.
Oh, you enjoy the moment.
Yes.
Okay, good job. So, do you ever follow the champion in Scott?
Yes, I do.
What championship do you follow in Scott?
I follow lintas medan.
Lintas Medan. How you feeling when you follow the Lintas Medan championship?
I'm feeling so happy because I chosen in the Lintas Medan competition, and I'm very excited to Lintas Medan competition.
Okay, now you are follow the calon pramuka ganda Garuda. Yes, that's right. What your reason to follow this competition?
Because Garuda is the highest level of enforcement. So I want to follow it.
Then,
And then in Garuda, I want to develop my talents and my interests. So it's been developed.
okay, good job. So you follow the squad because you want to develop yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. So last question in my question. When the first time you follow the squad, the first time you follow squad.
I followed this class since I was in elementary school.
Oh, you follow with elementary school. Okay, good
Yes.
job. So I think you already so long follow this school. So can you tell me about your experience in school?
Okay, so I start following scouts in elementary school. At first, I joined because the extracurricular activities was mandatory. But finally, because I like learning new things, so I like scouting. I think scouting is fun. That's why I'm very serious about training scouting. My seriousness also made me chosen to take part in the scout competition. I took part in 4 competitions, 2 personal competitions and 2 joint competitions. The personal competitions are Sani Rumput and aiming. The joint competitions are PBB and Choir. After participating in all the competitions, we are waiting for the announcement. And it turns out that my team or my school's women's team won the women's overall champion. Many of my friends won their competitions, and I also managed win the first place in the Sani Rumput competitions and the second place in the aiming competitions. I also attended in the Jambore Ranting when I was in elementary school. It was the first camp I attended outside of school. That was very exciting. I camped with my friends and my seniors. I camped for 3 days and 2 nights in Pasir Bangkuang, West Karawang. The camp was very exciting because I could get to know new people and I also meet my friends from other school. My friends and I attended the presentation of PBB material. At the camp, we showered in people's houses. Our parents were allowed to visit us on the second day of camping from afternoon to evening. Yeah. Even though it's very tiring, it's also very exciting. Since then, I have really liked scouting. Finally, when I was in junior high school, I decided to continue with the Scout extracurricular activities again. But I only studied for around 6 or 7 months. Because at the time there was a COVID-19 outbreak, which required all extracurricular activities to stop temporarily. The Scout extracurricular opens again when I was in grade 9. So I still couldn't take part in the extracurricular. But when I entered in high school, I decided to continue my extracurriculars. Yeah, it is here at Senior High School 5 Karawang that I have really developed many things that I don't know or couldn't do. Now I know and I can. I don't regret joining the Scout extracurricular here because scouting here is very exciting. Moreover, my group of Scout friends were very exciting too. At the inauguration event, I still didn't know of my friends. So at the time, I kept quiet too much. But the inauguration event was very exciting. Continuing to the TKK event, at the time, I was starting to recognize my friends because I already knew them. So the event became more exciting. At the time, my friends and I were tense because our senior was scolding us. Because during TKK, our material and mental abilities are tested. But in the TKK camp was not much because during Bantara our mentality was really tested. When we were in Bantara, the weather is very hot. With the hot weather, we walked, did our assignments, and also scolded by our seniors. But after finishing testing, we were invited to play in the river. And we really enjoyed it. In this high school, I took part in the Lintas Medan competition. In this high school scout, I took part in the Lintas Medan competition. My female team from this high school and I won the women's overall champion. That was the most memorable things since I was in Pramuslika. And also in this scout, I joined the Garuda Scout. Now, I'm following the process to become a Garuda Scout. I thank everyone involved in my process for guiding and helping me. I really enjoy participating in scouting. And yeah, that was a summary of my scouting experience.
That's all about your experience. I think it's about memorable experience. It is good for you to doing your scout, and then I think this is your opportunity to develop yourself. I think enough. Good job. Yeah. I wish you to join to go Pramuka Garuda if you can join this scout. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for your participation.
Okay, thank you so much, Cynthia, for joining. That's all. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.